Welcome back, friends. And now I'm going to discuss about why the balance scorecards are important and why they are so popular in the companies and the organization. Now, here we will look at what are the various views in which they have attained the popularity. Now, first and foremost, we have to understand that this particular method or the analysis, in order to strategize certain things in the company, are present in fact or used in businesses, industry, government, as well as the public sectors, non-profit organizations across the world. Now, it is one of the groups which is very popular in UK called as Gartner group, that says that 50% of the large US companies have adopted the balanced scorecards. Now, this is something which is very important. Now, 50%, and they said that over 50%. So that's very important as to why the firms have adopted this particular thing now. Now, here again, it's not just US. They have checked out at UK, Europe, and other places of Asia also, wherein balanced scorecards are definitely taken care of, and slowly the way it has penetrated in the Middle Eastern and the African countries also. It was later on in Harvard Business Review, it has been recommended that yes, the most closely related strategic planning for any business or the company is the balance scorecard, and they have taken this one, and they understand that yes, this is the most influential business idea which has been existing in the world of the business in the last 75 years. So that marks a historical importance for the balance scorecards. Now, apart from that, I have already given you the introduction to the four perspectives and the importance about each one of them in terms of the financial, customer, the internal business processes, as well as the learning and the growth, which is important from the side of the employees. And these are the four important, and we can see that if we understand the four perspectives, then we will know that how dependent they are with the others and how closely each one of them is integrated with the other one, so that the further thing can be taking place in a very I should say in a very nice manner. Modern balance scorecards also shows that each perspective builds upon the previous one. So it's not that the finances will be developing on their own, customer is going to be developed. No, each and every perspective has to be correlated, number one. Number two, and they are developing and making progress in terms of the integration only. So here we can understand that yes, a better running businesses, one has to see are taking care of their customers, finances, internal business processes, and even the learning and development. And we can see the biggest change that has come across in the collaboration between the HP and Compaq have shown that yes, these are the four main stages, and they have literally used the balanced scorecard method in order to be successful. Otherwise, if you read the case study very carefully, it has been pinpointed that yes, there was a doubt whether this particular alliance between HP and Compaq would be a successful one or not. However, just because they have utilized the balanced scorecards, and how it was not just the country or the national performance levels they were checking, it was at the global level. Now, what happened from the office which was located at America to the offices which were relocated to Norway or in Netherlands, and the third party mentioned that they have taken up from India. So how well each one of them was interconnected with each other finally to be the successful biggest venture between the HP and Compaq. That was completely read out in a very nice manner, and the details about the same thing was done through the balance scorecard. Now, apart from that, these are again the ways in which one can understand what are the I should say different components falling within each perspective and how important they are to take it to the next level. Now, this is another summary form of the balance scorecards as to understand how they are functioning in terms of the dependence upon the other one. This is an example that was taken up from the company through the airlines, I mean from the aviation industry, wherein we really wanted to understand. And when we were studying that particular case study, we understood that okay, this is how the entire aviation was taking up at the first level, that is learning and growth, high compensation, finance, flexible union contracts, high employee ownership. This was there mapped up. Internal business, there were different things that were there under innovation: fast ground turnaround, good locations, direct routes, relationships, fun experience, no elite class at all, cost effective, no frills, standard fleet, and high utilization of the flats itself. And the customer level, frequent reliable departures, then comparable to the other travel industries, then very low ticket prices, now which we can see even in our country also. SpiceJet, Indigo, Go Air, I mean, you can just pick it up and compare it with Air India, how well they are functioning, and you will be able to understand what we are talking about. Similarly, at the end, we have got the increased shareholder value, which is the most important one. So this is in short, I would say, what exactly is balanced scorecard and how well the entire thing is functioning also. Now here, one more thing that I would like to start off is how to draw the balanced scorecard. And we will see in one of the templates in my last part of this particular series, as to how they have analyzed each and everything. Determine the vision, that is the main thing from the side of the business leaders. Add perspectives one after the other. You have got those different components in the sheet, keep on adding to them till the time you are exhausted. So this has to be there, and this is closely associated with the first one, that is determining what is the final vision of the management. The third one would be add objectives and measures. This is compulsory, and we will see very shortly how they have taken care of it. Connect each piece. It cannot be that every point that you are going to add will be in isolation. No, they have to be connected with each other. And lastly, it has to be shared and communicated, not only with the senior management, however with the other departments also. So this is in short how the I should say the balanced scorecard is literally used to take up. Now here is one example that we can I mean, let me proceed further with the templates, and I'll showcase to you how the balanced scorecards are really working. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye.